Long waiting times in hospitals are one of the biggest frustrations for patients and staff alike. But what if artificial intelligence could solve this problem? AI-driven patient flow optimization is transforming the way hospitals manage time, resources, and patient care. Patient flow refers to how people move through the hospital from admission to diagnosis, treatment, and discharge. When this flow is disrupted, delays pile up, leading to overcrowded waiting rooms and stressed staff. AI systems analyze real-time data from electronic health records, appointment schedules, and even emergency room arrivals. By predicting patient demand, AI can optimize scheduling, assign staff more efficiently, and prevent bottlenecks in critical areas. For example, AI can predict which patients are likely to need longer treatment, or when peak rush hours will occur. Hospitals can then prepare resources in advance, reducing wait times and ensuring smoother care delivery. Shorter waiting times mean higher patient satisfaction, better staff efficiency, and improved health outcomes. It's not just about speed, it's about delivering quality care without unnecessary delays. In short, AI-driven patient flow optimization has the potential to revolutionize hospital management, making healthcare faster, smarter, and more patient-centered. Do you think every hospital should adopt AI systems to manage waiting times? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my assignment solution for more content on AI and healthcare innovation.